Hi, Cal from BHP UK, and on the dyno for development today we've got a 2019 BMW X5. This is the M50 diesel. It's an absolutely colossal engine, a 3 litre diesel engine, 4 turbochargers, 300 PS, 296 brake horsepower and 760 Newton meters. This is the G05 chassis BMW. We're going to do what we always do, run it up on the dyno, see how BMW have set it up at the factory, see how they've fueled it, and then we're going to come up with a tuning strategy to make it a little bit better. So that's a wrap on the BMW X5. We're more than happy with what we've been able to achieve with this car. It is a car that's well tuned up at the factory anyway. This car made 396 as standard on our dyno, and we got it up to exactly 450, well 450.53. So we made a good gain of 54 brake horsepower above the stock car. It's going to be more than noticeable, and also what we've managed to do is the flat spot that you get is about 2,700 RPM. We've totally smoothed that out now. The power delivery is now smooth and linear throughout the rev range. It should be a fantastic car to drive on the road. It's a good car to start with, but I think with the extra 50 horsepower, it really should make a big difference. We hope you like what we're bringing to you as far as the BMW tuning is concerned. Please do drop us a subscribe and a like. It will keep you informed of any new videos that we bring into the channel.